Komiti mar od bura mamalo mochung'ne weche ohala kod dongruok kembe onyiso luoro kaluwore kod yo ma kembe dargo kawuok e pacho ka kadhi e pinje mamoko kaluwore kod osuru mong'awore kod nengo mamalo mar teko stima e pacho ka. Kaluwore kod komiti no motele kod jaod bura ma Embakasi North James Gakuya e higa achiel kende, kembe bura matiyo e pacho ka oseloro kendo dhi e pinje malibamba ma ok ong'aw osuru kaka Tanzania kod Ethiopia, wach momiyo jo Kenya mathoth wito tijegi. Jagoro mogire e migawo mar weche kembe Juma Mokwana to koni mwandu mabandia en achiel kuom midhiero ne Kenya.
The first thing that is killing our industries, one is industrial power. We must work a solution. How are we going to deal with our industrial power? Because one, we cannot compete with Ethiopia. We are at 20 when Ethiopia is at 3. How can we compete? Every investor wants to invest where he can also reap back. You must put incentives that make that sustain that particular factor. Today, they are still out. Is not people and that's why they are moving to Uganda and to Ethiopia, just neighboring. Because one, that goes at the end of the day, a manufacturer, an investor must look for what the cost of production. Because the cost of production, if it does not give you a loom of profit, then you must go where you can make profit. Because you cannot run a business that actually you are earning zero out of it. When you know another neighboring environment will give you a plus. So that's where we are. And the government for William Ruto and his team must work out on that element. If we have sustained manufacturers, we need our country.
All these people are here. We have the KEPS here, we have the Anti-Counterfeit Authority, and we are discussing those issues that in terms of the way we are fighting counterfeits, are we effective in fake products, and what methods are we using, and how could we do it better? And so this is a very consultative forum. We are also getting a lot of ideas and suggestions from members of parliament on what they think we need to change. In terms of mentoring people that want to do manufacturing, Kiridi is doing this, but are we effective? How many people are we mentoring?